Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a playlist based off of your liked songs. I say liked twice, sorry. Based off of your liked songs. You're just going to press Control A on your keyboard on like your liked songs playlist. So Control A, or if you're on Mac it's Command A, I think. Then you're just going to select right click, add a playlist, and then create playlist. And then here it will display all of the songs that you've liked on Spotify. You can edit the details here, the cover, the name, for instance, like songs, and just save that. And to delete it, just right click and delete if you don't want it to show on your page. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!